Did you know that 30% of self-employed individuals struggle when applying for a home loan? On today's video, we're going to talk about why and how you can overcome these obstacles. Well, hey, Coleman, thank you so much for taking the time today to come out and talk a little bit more about this program for self-employed employees. And what can you tell us about it?
Yeah, definitely. So you're exactly right. It is a challenge for some individuals that are self-employed when they're wanting to buy a home.
Yeah.
Mainly the two things that are a big challenge is the length of time that they've been self-employed in some cases.
Okay.
Then the second thing is how they report their taxes and the amount of money that they report on their taxes.
Oh, okay. So like if they make a certain amount, but they only show a certain amount.
Right, yeah.
Okay.
So, the name of the game usually when you're self-employed is to report as little as possible, right? So you're not taxed as much on the money that you are showing or the money that you're making.
Yeah.
So the challenge that we see usually when working with self-employed people is they write off a lot. And the bottom line income that we're able to use is oftentimes not enough for what they're wanting to qualify for.
Yeah, I've definitely seen that over the years. So how do you overcome that?
Yeah, so there's a number of loans that we can use to help them to overcome it, right? So first of all, we have a profit and loss statement loan. That's one option. We have a bank statement loan as another option.
Okay.
And some of those programs or products will allow us to even go down to just 1 year of being self-employed and still qualify the person to purchase a home.
Okay, because is it usually 2 years?
Normally it's 2 years.
Okay.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
Okay, so how does the profit loss statement, how does that work?
Yeah, so it's a great program because we're able to go off of the profit and loss statement that the person's or the self-employed borrower's CPA puts together. So we'll work with the CPA will draw up that profit and loss, and then we're able to use the income from that profit and loss statement to qualify them to purchase a home.
Got it. Okay. Hey, that sounds really good. I know there's a lot of people out there who have businesses and don't want to pay those big tax amounts, but at the same time need to qualify and show that income. So
exactly.
This sounds like it's the perfect plan for them, right?
It works out great. The other one is the bank statement option.
Okay.
Right? And on that bank statement option, we can go down to as little as 6 months of bank statements.
Yeah.
And we'll look at the income that they make or what they're showing on their bank statements as their deposits.
Okay.
We'll also look at the expenses and we'll calculate how much from that bank statement we're able to use to qualify them that way.
Got it, man. Well, that's definitely two amazing options. I know there's people who've been stuck with that hurdle. So, man, that's great. Is there any other information that you could provide? What's the timeline look for this, like to get these type of loans?
Yeah, so it's really the same type of timeline. So
Okay.
we're looking at 30 days to be able to get through the process to help them qualify.
Okay.
When it comes to looking into getting pre-qualified, we always suggest, get that started as soon as possible.
Yeah.
Right. We want as much time to put together a plan so that we can kind of get it all ironed out, worked out, and know which direction is going to be best for that person to help them get their home that they want.
Got it. Yeah. So in this situation, they won't have to show their tax returns at all?
No, so they don't have to worry about showing the tax returns at all. We're either using bank statements or we're using that profit and loss statement, and that's what we're going to need in order to make the deal work.
Man, that sounds amazing. Well, if you're in the Dallas area and you're self-employed and you want to purchase that new home, but you're having issues qualifying because of your tax situation, reach out to us. Contact information is in the description box. We would love to assist you with your new home here in the Dallas area. Thank you so much for watching today's video. See you in the next one.